What's up, YouTubers, foodies? You know who it is. I'm back. I'm shooting on location. This your boy, the Urban Chef. Today, got a quick banger, a nice quick banger for the holidays. You like my stuff? Anyway, just hanging out at the park, the Canto Park in Phoenix. Yep, for those of you locals, you know where it is. Anyway, we're gonna feed the duck. But anyway, you guys know I'm an anime fan. Dragon Ball, One Punch Man, Death Note, and of course, the #1 show that's been out for the last couple of years, my son turned me on, was JoJo. Graphics, animation off the chart, crazy. Anyway, today, I got a drink, a spinoff of the Killer Queen. Got what right here we're gonna do is, I got 5-6 ingredients here. First, I'm gonna drop some ice off in here. You guys don't forget to like and share anyway. Support the Urban Chef. Alright. Okay, just being silly. Happy chef makes happy food. Anyway, we're gonna start with some Sprite. A little bit of Sprite. Sprite does the body good. Sponsorship. Anyway, got the pink lady, the pink Whitney. We're gonna drop that in there. Oh yeah, look at that. So good, look at that. Got the vodka. Gonna go with some tequila. Moreno no sabe nada. Gotta have some tequila. Ay, wey, Moreno. And then next, got the gin. You drink gin, you sin, baby. Oh yeah, look at that. This is gonna be so nice, so nice. You can add a little triple sec, but we're gonna leave that out. And of course, got the spiced rum. There we go. Oh yeah. All right. Now, if everything went as accordingly, it should light. It should. With those of y'all at home, it did.
You failed, anyway, you big dummy.
Usually rum will catch on fire. This is a pretty cool drink. As I say, anyway, we're gonna give it a stir. The rum should have ignited. But anyway, it didn't. Anyway, this is the Killer Queen. Let me taste and see what's up. Whoa. Santa. Those of y'all that can catch this after Christmas anyway, hope you enjoyed your holidays. Happy New Year. Support the Urban Chef. Don't forget to like and share. Catch me at chriskegler@gmail. chriskegler@gmail. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, Becky. I know. Say what's up to Becky, some of my biggest supporters. I did it again. This is a good drink here. Man, put a little triple sec in it and this should be good. Till the next time the Urban Chef sees you, I'm out. Oh!